How creepy is the lighting right now? What's up, guys? Good morning. If you read the title, you know that today we're checking out the new Amazon Go store. And if you're wondering why we haven't gone there yet, it's because I'm a college student and it's only open weekdays. So today I woke up before class, which is unheard of for most college students, and I'm gonna go check it out just for you guys. Super excited. If you don't know what that is, essentially it's a store run by Amazon and there are no cashiers, no checkout lines. You scan an app when you walk in, you grab what you want and you leave. Cameras should track all your movements. It's crazy. It's the future, and we're gonna go check it out, but we have to get there. This mount is so loose! So good news and bad news. Good news is this phone mount is working great. Bad news is I just broke this bike mount. Why don't more people do this? Vlogging and biking is like epic. Hopefully you guys get some good B-roll. I'm out of shape and out of breath. It's way too early for this, but we're just about there, so I'm just gonna look for a place to lock up my bike so it doesn't get stolen. And yeah, let's go check it out. This is as good a spot as any. We're about 800 feet or so from the store, so we're gonna lock up here and go check it out. Seems good. That's the problem with these kind of mounts. There it is. Amazon Go.
I want to do a GoPro video of me like coming in and
That's all we need. please. Thank you. So I literally just walked in, grabbed what I wanted, and walked out. But it's kind of weird. Alright, so what just happened? So essentially we walked in the store. We were greeted by some people, so a misconception might be there's no people there. That's not true. There were people making sandwiches, there were greeters. I got this free bag, but essentially you just walk in, grab what you want, and cameras like watch you and like scan you and realize if you grab stuff or put it back. And essentially once you've scanned the app, you can just grab what you want and it charges it right to your credit card, which is crazy. So if we take a look at my receipt on Thursday, February 8th at 8:23 a.m. we have a pending charge. I don't know if it charged me. It might think I'm still in there. I was trying to do it like as by the books as possible. I feel like I should go tell somebody. It says pending charges. Oh wait, here we go. It says, look at you go, your trip time was 2 minutes, 34 seconds, and your receipt is ready. That probably didn't focus at all. Okay, it offered me a refund if it accidentally got anything. It says I got cut mixed fruit and coconut water for $5.48. Hopefully that focused by now. The question is, what did I get? Cut fruit, coconut water. So, at least for me, seemed to have worked pretty well. Amazon fruit. Yeah, it's pretty good. Fruit is delicious. Alright, now that we're away from some of the noise, thoughts. So, Amazon Go, you know, would I recommend it? Would I recommend traveling really far to go there? Two different questions. So, would I recommend going there? Yeah, like, it's really cool, it's really fast. Like, my time was under 3 minutes. I just walked around. I mean, it's not a huge store, but it's bigger than I thought it'd be. But, I just walked around, checked the prices, took a little B-roll, and got out of there. I actually have class in a little over an hour, so I'm gonna have to get back and get ready for that. But, yeah, like, I wouldn't recommend going really far to see it, but like it's a pretty cool store, you know, priced decently, and it is without a doubt. We're gonna stop here because I actually walked past my bike already. You can never escape the noise here. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of bikers. But yeah, so I think it's a really cool idea. It was super fast, super fun. The people that are working there were super friendly, gave me this free bag, and you know, prices are reasonable. I think it's a really cool store. I know a lot of people have been trying to like trick the system and all that stuff, but at least for me, you know, I just grabbed what I wanted, got out of there, and yeah, it was super efficient, super cool, and it's one of those things that I think is just cool because it works. And I would love to see more of these. They're so much faster than really anything else. Like, you scan the app, and it just lets you in, and it's just really cool. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of a first look. I know I'm late, but I've been busy with midterms, I've had school, and funny thing, they're only open on weekdays. So weekends, which is like, you know, it'd be pretty easy to come down here, I can't do that. But yeah, walking back to my bike now, gonna unlock it and maybe do a couple more things while I'm downtown and then head to class. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you thought it was cool. Amazon Go, the hype is real, except for I just kind of said it's not too big a deal, but it's cool. It's cool. Like if you're in the area, definitely check it out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like it. If you love it, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time.